SP Grid is our platform. So this is the first time we're really coming out of a long beta period. It's a control and management technology. This platform has been designed for the really complex experience world that we're now finding ourselves in. And control and management now relies on a large amount of data and devices and really complex workflows that need to be simplified. And what we're doing with SP Grid is providing a whole tool set, a suite of products that really come in at the beginning, which is the design stage. How can we help the client understand how a space might work and what spatial intelligence that environment might need? And then we're moving into deployment by being able to push what we've done across multiple platforms from iOS, different computers and servers. So it's really scalable in terms of how it's deployed. So our customers come from creative technologists, people that are building the technical back end of experiences, and also system designers from system integrators who are actually building out these really quite complicated ecosystems of control. They're picking up our platform for both design and experience logic and deployment. We have a legacy in live events. We then also came into virtual production, taking over some of the camera calibration and the spatial alignment tools needed for VP. And then we found that we had this real-time engine that is now applicable for the immersive experience world. So where you're trying to design an interactive space that needs audio, spatial audio, lighting, media, sensor technology, like how can we turn these spaces into places that humans have a truly personal curated experience? And it's much more than just sort of media timelining and pressing a button now. It's a living, breathing space that actually someone can interact with it, and that interaction is what creates a memorable moment. And our platform is really completely focused on giving the tools to create truly unique spatial experiences. So at the heart of our entire SP platform is Grid Studio. That's the central software, and what we've actually done is we've made that free for everyone to use, into sandbox and to design, because we really think that the way we push forward interactive experience design is by giving everybody the access to actually build out the experience with the client. So it's free, and then we've got on top of that, inside that Grid Studio product, we then have connection points. So we have grid extensions, which is a whole way for the whole industry to build a plugin that connects them into our control and management system. And actually that's how we're now extending what we're capable of doing across events and spaces and immersive experiences and studio environments by allowing all technologies to connect into one platform. These experiences have become really quite complex. So the low-code environment that we have, you can use GUI-based features, so you don't have to learn scripting. You can expand it using Python scripting if you like, but actually providing a drag and drop UI framework means that anybody can start to do really quite complex projects within this software environment. Well, I think that's why I said yes to coming to work with Stage Precision. I was doing a lot of consultancy in like, what does the future of the experience economy look like? And how do we bring immersive experiences to the masses? And how do we scale this as an industry? And coming from live events, we're narrative storytellers. We're really used to like providing spectacle and bringing that emotive storytelling through, and coming into AV with that same passion. We sort of saw this coming about 5 years ago. And so that's what really excites me, is now we're doing that from a technology standpoint.